My tobacco is doing very well and they start flowering. Now you have to pinch the flower from top. I just left few and the rest of them I pinch them up from here so they can get all energy in the leaves. And you have to take sucker off from the bottom as well. I took all of them off. Any leaf growing from the bottom you have to take them off, and from the between the leaves like these you have to take them off, so all the energy goes in these leaves and they grow bigger. Like all these suckers between the two leaves, the new leaf growth, you have to take them off. I just kept few flowers for seeds, and if you're growing different varieties you have to be careful for the cross pollination. So like this one, I'm going to take that off, I don't need it. And this is the size of leaf at the moment. Tobacco plants start getting yellow, the bottom leaves, you have to harvest them as they get yellow. Like this variety is getting yellow. Earlier I took few leaves off from the bottom, and like few of these, they are small leaf tobacco variety like this one, and they are about 70% yellow. Take them and tie them up from top and hang them. Like these one. This one is little bit green, but it doesn't matter, it will turn brown, yellowish brown. This is Golden Virginia, and this is Latakia. It's pipe tobacco, so the leaves are smaller than all other varieties. It's very strong tobacco. Normally it's used in pipes, but you can use to blend it in the tobacco. You can smoke as a cigarette as well while you blend with other tobacco. So this is Tennessee Burley. The Golden Virginia is very high. The Tennessee Burley is a bit less in the height than Golden Virginia. It's almost there. And this is Havana. So the tobacco plants, this one looks different. All leaves goes upwards while it's growing, and you have to wait until they start getting yellow, but you can harvest them, and even when they not fully yellow, when they start turning to yellow, like these are dark green leaves, but if you see these leaves, if the weather is changing, if they turn yellow, then you can take them off and hang them to let them get dry properly. It's better if you wait for them to get yellow, like this one is getting yellow. The plant on these sides, they are about to turn yellow because they are not too dark green. Soon they're gonna turn into yellow color. So I'm gonna take most of the leaves which are on the bottom, which are full yellow, which are almost yellow. The leaves on the bottom, they got dirt on them. You can wash them and keep them separate and blend them separate. If they don't taste nice, then don't smoke them, but if they smoke alright, then you can add them in, but wash them before you hang them. Future harvested, and all is still there. I'm gonna harvest all at once, but some of which are ready to take them off, I will take them off from the bottom as soon as when they turn yellow.